If God said it, if God said it, that settles it. Oh yes, if God said it, if God said it, that settles it. Oh yes, if God said it, if God said it, that settles it. Oh yes, if God said it, God said it, that settles it. Oh my people, hello, hello out there. How are you doing on this beautiful Monday, whatever day it is? Some people it's already Tuesday, but on this beautiful day, how are you doing? How did your day go? How is your day going? Or how did your day end? Whichever one, pick one, choose one. If it's all of the above, pick it too. All right, so today I'm going to talk about something. I just want to share this with you because in church yesterday, I read that scripture. I was like, wow, Daniel 5:31. Bible said that I gotta use. You see, the scripture is just all encompassing. He says that Darius received the kingdom at the age of 62. 62. And so I was sharing yesterday with some people. I said, you see, at 62, he got the kingdom. Darius is one of the kings that God prophesied in Daniel when Nebuchadnezzar had a visitation and God showed Nebuchadnezzar that big magnificent giant standing with the head of gold, you know, all the way to the legs. The Medes and the Persian kingdom at 62. So what is my encouragement to you today? It's never too late. That's what my song says. If God said it, that settles it. Darius did not even have an idea. Listen, y'all. Darius did not pray. Darius did not go fasting for 40 days, for 30 days. Darius did not even make a request. There's no report that he did that. There's no report. There's no record. And don't forget that Darius was an unbelieving king. Okay? Just like Nebuchadnezzar. Until God visited him in a big way. Then Nebuchadnezzar understand. Said there is only one God that should be served and worshipped, not him. So anyway, going back to the encouragement and the topic for today. That it's never too late to start your life again. At 62, you're just wondering at 62, how? What kind of energy, what kind of strength? You know, think about people. I hear people say, oh, I'm almost 60. Oh, I'm 60. Oh, my co-worker. Oh, I'm 60. I'm almost 60. Oh, my body. Oh, my back. Today we're still talking about back pain. We're still talking about leg pain. At 60, oh. So you can imagine at 62. Biden, what age is he? President. You know how long Biden has wanted to be president? Bola Ahmed Tinubu, my own Jagaba president. At what age? And I think, what's her name? Funke Adejimo. She just went to school to become a lawyer. At what age? So what are you doing? What is your excuse? What is your excuse? What is my excuse? When you see these people, I mean, these are obviously that we are surrounded by a multitude of witnesses. If you look around you, you see people are moving forward. I tell people, you're not a tree. A tree, once you plant it, it stays in that place. It doesn't move until somebody chop it down. We are human beings. God gave us legs so we can move. We have joints so the joints can move. If you don't use your muscle, if you don't use your joints, they become stiff. So the same thing, if you don't use the brain, it goes to sleep. It goes to sleep. So I just want to encourage you. Whatever you want to do, it is never too late to step out and just do it. Darius received the kingdom at age 62. 62. You can receive your own kingdom too. You can. If God said it concerning you, don't just sit down and fold your hand. Move. Do something about it. Walk. If people are getting job, go get a resume done. People are going to school around you, go to school around you. People are opening business. If you can open business, if you cannot. Even people are going to school, you can go to school, no, you cannot. Well, whatever you can do that human beings are doing, the key things that as a human being, you cannot be a tree. You cannot be a tree. Remember that man that was going to be cured with blindness? He said, how do you see? He said, I see men as trees. No, men are not trees. Trees to be planted and then they remain there and they are chopped off to make tables, to make whatever you want to make with trees. You chop them off. No, we are not trees. We don't see humans as trees. Don't see yourself as a tree. And you don't even let nobody else see you as a tree, guys. So I just want to encourage you today that whatever it is you want to pursue in life, you can do it. If God has said it concerning you, you can do it. Just move like a human being. Move your joints. Move your legs. Move your mouth like I'm doing right now. Move your mouth. Okay? Move and do something with it. Because it's never too late for you to enter your kingdom. There's so many people that started their businesses when they were late. I mean, late. She said late. When we think that it's too late for them. People got married when we thought that the world thought that, okay, no, this one cannot get married again. People have children. People, you know, different stuff just happen. I have a lady that is in school right now. She's 62. I have another man. He is 62. I was like, I didn't even know Uncle Megan was 60. Like, what? I was like, what? He's in his 60s. He's going back to get his master's. After getting one master, so he's getting another master's actually in his 60s. You can become a doctor. There's nothing like, oh, I can't go to school again. I can. No, yes, you can. Whatever you can do to help yourself. Somebody was saying, oh, I just need more money. I'm thinking in my head. It's called you want to increase your financial power. It is called, is either you open a business or you change your degree or you go back to school, get a higher degree, then, you know, in a lucrative career, and then you're going to see a jump in your financial status. It doesn't come by, Nigeria, we don't suffer. It doesn't come by sowing seed. It doesn't come by praying and fasting. You see the problem that we have? No, it doesn't come by all that. What are human beings doing to make money? Are they opening businesses? Are they going back to school, getting a second degree, a third degree, whatever it is? Are they changing their career? So that's what you also have to try to do. And my encouragement is that it's never too late for you to take that leap, to take that step. Don't count yourself out. Don't feel you're too old now. Don't feel that all odds are against you. Well, the only time the odds are against us is when we are 6 feet down. But until then, guys, I am pressing on this upward way. I am pressing on like other humans. I am moving. So I'm encouraging you to move too. God bless you. Catch you next time on A Better Way. When we come with another, how will I even put it? Another encouraging word for you. To know that at 62, Darius got the kingdom. You can get your kingdom too. No matter how old you are. Don't give up on life. Life has not given up on you. God has not given up on you. So if God said it, if He wrote it concerning you in this lifetime, you will walk into it. All you need to do is get up and